Good morning, O Summit families. I hope everybody's having a great week. My name is Coach Craig Riddle from Be Active Sports. We will be providing physical education lessons to all the students at O Summit Montessori. This is an awesome initiative by O Summit, and we can't wait to get started. These will be live online lessons, and if you can't make the lessons, don't worry about it. We will be uploading the programs so that you can take part in your own time. So this is part of the curriculum, and we will be using a platform called Zoom. So I just want to show you how it'll work. So you guys will receive a message or an email that looks like this with all the group's details, all the different phases details like time, day, the meeting link, and meeting ID and password. So that's all going to be in a message. If the message has got too much information, or you lose the message, we will be sending you a document that looks like so. You can go into the document. You obviously need to download the Zoom link. If you don't have it, I will be sending you guys the link for Zoom as well to download. Once you're in this PDF document, you can read about what we do, how we've been doing it, and how the program will work. If you scroll right down to the bottom, you can see each phase, their times, their days, and the meeting ID, password, and link to join. So let's say my child is in lower elementary. The time of my lessons will be 1 p.m. on a Wednesday or every Wednesday and Friday. So the quickest way to do this is to copy your password, because it's going to ask you for your password. So you copy your password and you're just going to click on the link and it's going to take you right to Zoom. So I'm not going to need my password because I'm the host, but you guys will need your password. Okay, so I'm just going to click on it. Sometimes with technology, things aren't as simple as it is. So if you can see at the bottom, here is of every single page, there's my number. On the bottom of every message, you can find my number or email address. You're welcome to contact me at any time for assistance on any of or anything that we can help you with. So we are really looking forward to these lessons. We can't wait to see the kids. Our first lesson is on Wednesday, the 6th of May, and we are very excited. I hope you guys enjoy, and we will see you soon.